Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some behavioral finance trivia. What term describes an irrational investment behavior leading to losses? Is it A, loss aversion, B, market timing, C, confirmation bias, or D, risk appetite? The correct answer is A, loss aversion. What is the name for the tendency to overestimate one's own investment knowledge? Is it A, market illusion, B, overconfidence, C, cognitive bias, or D, self-deception? The correct answer is B, overconfidence. What is the common term for the psychological influence affecting stock market trends? Is it A, market speculation, B, herd behavior, C, emotional trading, or D, financial analysis? The correct answer is B, herd behavior. What effect describes the tendency to favor information that confirms existing beliefs? Is it A, hindsight bias, B, confirmation bias, C, anchoring effect, or D, cognitive dissonance? The correct answer is B, confirmation bias. What principle highlights the impact of emotions in financial decision-making? Is it A, behavioral finance, B, rational choice theory, C, classical economics, or D, efficient market hypothesis? The correct answer is A, behavioral finance. What describes the idea of choosing immediate rewards over future ones? Is it A, delayed gratification, B, opportunity cost, C, future value, or D, present bias? The correct answer is D, present bias. What is the term for an investor's inability to sell an asset that has lost value? Is it A, liquidation value, opportunity cost, C, market correction, or D, sunk cost fallacy? The correct answer is D, sunk cost fallacy. What term describes an optimistic prediction of future returns? Is it A, optimism bias, B, pessimism bias, C, reality check, or D, wishful thinking? The correct answer is A, optimism bias. What cognitive bias leads people to assess a situation based on existing information? Is it A, confirmation bias, B, anchoring effect, C, hindsight bias, or D, availability heuristic? The correct answer is D, availability heuristic. What behavioral factor often causes market bubbles and crashes? Is it A, corporate earnings, B, economic fundamentals, C, market regulations, or D, investor sentiment? The correct answer is D, investor sentiment. What term refers to the tendency to overreact to recent news in trading? Is it A, market inefficiency, B, recency bias, C, confirmation bias, or D, noise trading? The correct answer is B, recency bias. What term describes making financial decisions based on emotions rather than logic? Is it A, market analysis, B, statistical trading, C, rational budgeting, or D, emotional investing? The correct answer is D, emotional investing. Which behavioral pattern involves following peers in stock market activities? Is it A, social proof, B, market manipulation, C, herd mentality, or D, value investing? The correct answer is A, social proof. What term refers to the tendency to neglect the long-term performance of stocks? Is it A, long-term investment, B, stock diversification, C, market volatility, or D, short-term focus? The correct answer is D, short-term focus. What cognitive bias describes the tendency to stick with familiar investments? Is it A, confirmation bias, B, loss aversion, C, familiarity bias, or D, herding behavior? correct answer is C, familiarity bias. What term refers to the tendency to misinterpret random sequences? Is it A, apophenia, B, gambler's fallacy, C, confirmation bias, or D, pareidolia? The correct answer is A, apophenia. What term describes the emotional reaction to potential market downturns? Is it A, fear of loss, B, market optimism, C, bullish sentiment, or D, panic selling? The correct answer is A, fear of loss. Which phenomenon refers to the tendency to mimic successful market behaviors? Is it A, herd mentality, B, price manipulation, C, market crash, or D, FOMO? The correct answer is A, herd mentality. What is the tendency to favor recent experiences in decision-making? Is it A, availability heuristic, B, primacy effect, C, recency effect, or D, anchoring bias? The correct answer is C, recency effect. What can be a consequence of overconfidence in investing? Is it A, always making profits, B, underrating risks, C, ignoring tax laws, or D, finding hidden treasures? The correct answer is B, underrating risks. What term refers to subjective judgment affecting financial decisions? Is it A, historical trends, B, objective analysis, C, predetermined outcomes, or D, bias? The correct answer is bias. What psychological principle leads to decision paralysis due to many choices? Is it A, choice overload, B, anchoring bias, C, cognitive dissonance, or D, sunk cost fallacy? The correct answer is A, choice overload. What phenomenon illustrates emotional attachment to investments? Is it A, sunk cost fallacy, B, market fluctuation, C, emotional bias, or D, mental accounting? The correct answer is D, mental accounting. What cognitive bias involves the misinterpretation of probabilities due to emotional state? Is it A, anchoring effect, B, affect heuristic, C, confirmation bias, or D, hindsight bias? The correct answer is B, affect heuristic. What term describes excessive polishing of bad news? Is it A, positive framing, B, sensationalism creep, C, optimism distortion, or D, negativity bias? The correct answer is D, negativity bias. Which bias describes favoring familiar stocks over unknowns? Is it A, recency effect, B, anchoring bias, C, confirmation bias, or D, familiarity heuristic? The correct answer is D, familiarity heuristic. What term explains the tendency to seek quick returns over sustainable growth? Is it A, long-term vision, B, strategic planning, C, short-sightedness, or D, sustainable management? The correct answer is C, short-sightedness. What behavioral factor is linked to emotional decision-making in investments? Is it A, affect, B, market trends, C, economic indicators, or D, cognitive bias? The correct answer is A, affect. Which bias leads individuals to stick with their choices despite contrary evidence? Is it A, status quo, B, hindsight bias, C, confirmation bias, or D, anchoring bias? The correct answer is A, status quo. Which effect reflects the tendency to underestimate the impact of financial skills? Is it A, Dunning-Kruger effect, B, anchoring effect, C, self-serving bias, or D, overconfidence bias? The correct answer is A, Dunning-Kruger effect. What cognitive bias influences investors to ignore constructive criticism? Is it A, confirmation bias, B, anchoring effect, C, herd mentality, or D, self-serving bias? The correct answer is D, self-serving bias. What describes the practice of judging investments through past performance alone? Is it A, perspective analysis, B, hindsight bias, C, market prediction, or D, historical strategy? The correct answer is B, hindsight bias. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.